Hello students, in this video we are going to create a table using HTML code. So this is the table you are going to create today. So first analyze the table. By seeing this table you should be able to write this code. So what is the table caption here? Student table. And what is the table headings? Roll number, name and gender. And these are all table definition. And how many rows are there in this table? Row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4 and row 5. So there are 5 rows in this tables. So we can start creating this table. First I'm starting with HTML tag and inside head and title I'm going to give the title bar heading, that is tables in HTML, so that I can display it here. And inside body part I'm giving the table tag, and border color is an attribute of table, and border I'm giving it as 2 inside the double quotes. The values should be in double quotes. So border I'm giving it as 2. If I'm giving it as 6, see the difference? Refresh it. See, according to the value of border, it may changes. Okay. So I'm giving a red color border. And what is the caption? Student table. And next I'm going to open the first row. So I'm opening the table row. Background color of that row is light green I'm giving. You can give any other colors if you want. And next I'm going to give the table headings. 3 headings are there, that is TH tag, roll number, name and gender. And I'm closing that table row. So these are the contents for this table headings. And after this I closed it, and for next table row I need to open the tag once again, tr tag, and inside that I have to give table definition. Which are the table definition here? 1 Vikshit mail. So how many definitions are there? 3 definition, but it should be included in tr tag. So how many rows are there? Second row for 2, table definition 2, Kirtika female, and I'm closing that table row. Again I'm opening for the next row, and for third row. So till here I have completed. So the table is finished. So I have to close the table, close the body, and as usual I want to close the HTML tag also. Okay, so practice this and give any colors or background colors, and if you want to make any bold caption you can give it, or if you want to give any horizontal line, or if you want to make more attractive. For example, if you want to give body background color, you can give a BG color, background color of the body, as I'm giving yellow. Close it and save it. So it looks more attractive, right? So you can make many changes as you wish. So practice this, make more styles, make your web page more creative. Okay. Okay, next topic is how to apply call span and row span in HTML. So if you see this type of table, you can see a small difference here. These columns, right? Items, quantity and unit price is merged into one single column that is named as subtotal. So here we are merging 3 columns into a single column, so you can apply call span here. And next you take the case of tags. Merging of which columns? Items and quantity. It is merged into a single column called tags. And 7% is not merged, no problem. So go to next one. Here also it is merged. How many columns? Items, quantity and unit price. So here also you can apply call span. So similarly, if you want to merge rows, you can apply row span. So in this example, in title, I have given call span and row span, so it came here. And background color of the page as light pink. And table tag I have given, and these are the attributes of table: border color blue, and height of the table I have given, and width of the table, cell spacing, and cell padding. So there is a difference between cell spacing and cell padding. Cell spacing means it is used to define the minimum distance between two adjacent cells. Okay. And what is cell padding means it is used to define the minimum space between the edge and the text. So remember that difference, and you can give any values inside double quotes. So it is your wish how many attributes you want to give or not. And I gave the caption bill here. And first row, items, quantity, unit price, and price. And I'm giving that row background color as light green. So these are displayed in bold letters. That means it is a table heading. So I'm giving it as table heading. Okay, inside tr tag. So first row is finished and second row is opening. Pencils. This is normal definition, right? Table definition. So we can give it as td. So next one also, geometry boxes rows. I finished it. And pens, that row is also finished. And next one, subtotal. Subtotal is the merging of three columns. So I'm giving the attribute of this subtotal because it is displayed it as table heading. So I'm giving it in th tag, call span, merging of three columns, and the heading. And next one is 610.88. So that is a normal table definition. So I'm giving inside TD. And that row is finished. I closed it. And next one, here tax. Take tax. It is a merging of column items and quantity. So I'm giving call span equal to 2 columns. And give the title. And what is the next one? Normal definition, that means the value. So you can give it inside TD tag. And next one also, it is a TD tag. So that row is finished. I closed it. Next row is opened. Check the total column. It is a merging of items, quantity, and unit price. So I'm giving call span value as 3. Give the title total. And next one is table definition. So I can give it inside TD. So that row is also closed. Table is closed. Body and HTML also closed. So practice this and try other tables that if you want to apply row span. I will show you one example for row span. Here category sports and martial arts. Types. Sports types are badminton, football and basketball. So these three types are categorized under sports. So this is called a row span. These three rows are merged into a single row, and these two rows are merged into a single row. So here in both cases you can apply row span. So this is the code. Try by yourself. See, in the first case, three rows we are merging, and after entering this badminton, that row is completed. So don't forget to close that table row, and next you need to start the table row for creating football. And after typing football, that row is also finished, and next one basketball is also finished. Then only you can start the next row span, that is 2 for martial arts. So try this by yourself and check whether you are getting the correct table display in your HTML web page or not. So I hope everyone understood this topics, which is based on tables and row span, call span, and all attributes of tables.